This one feels heavy. Check the color up top.
Yeah, it's definitely turning. Ready to harvest.
Check the torque on that connection point.
Looks good, Foreman. We are aligned vertically.
We need more rotation speed. Check your line 4. The pressure line 4.
Position, Charlie, lower the load.
Clear on the east side.
Roger that, coming down.
The alignment is good, lock it down.
Securing the final bolt now.
Torque on M8 bolts is good.
Confirmed. Recording stability check complete for this row.
Make sure that fitting is secure, Jamil.
I am giving it the last turn now.
The chlorophyll levels look excellent on this one.
Agreed. We can schedule this batch for hardening next week.
How do these look for the transfer?
They're perfect. Strong roots, good height. We can start loading the wheelbarrow now.
Lift from the bottom. Careful now.
Got it. Where to next?
Bring it to the shade structure next to the others.
Are these getting enough water?
Looks good.
The alignment is perfect.
I've adjusted the valve. Is the pressure stabilizing on your gauge?
Yes, it's holding steady at 20 psi now.
They've really shot up this month.
That would sense. And the foliage density is perfect. We should see fruit soon.
The leaves are much darker this week.
And the branches are so thick already. The feeding is working.
The stems are holding up well against the heat.
Yes, and the spacing is perfect. We should note the density here.
Look at this cluster right here.
Yes, they are developing perfectly. This crop looks strong.
That's a strong showing of pollen right there.
Yeah. Yes, optimizing the humidity levels paid off.
The damage is extensive. We need to act fast, or these pests will ruin the entire yield.
Look at these leaves. The infestation is heavy here.
Yes, we must mark this row immediately for treatment.
Keep an eye on the gauge, making sure it stays consistent.
Looks steady. The mist is reaching the top rows.
Check this leaf, completely clean. The droplets are holding well.
And the irrigation is steady. Everything looks perfect.
These clusters look very healthy, especially for the early stage.
The cauliflower is strong. We should have a good yield.
We need a bit more airflow right here. I agree. Let's trim this lower branch.
These fruitlets are setting well.
Yes, the drip system is working perfectly in this heat.
We must ensure proper spacing for these large ones.
The heat is intense today, but the irrigation is steady.
This one feels heavy. Check the color up top. Yeah, it's definitely turning. Ready to harvest.
This one is ready. Listen to that sound.
Yes, the weight is good too. We can start the harvest tomorrow.
Careful now, it's heavy.
Got it.
Bring it down slowly.
Make sure the ripe ones are separated.
Yes, boss. We are almost done here.
Here it comes. Okay, I have it. Clear the stack.
Keep coming back. Slow now. Easy, easy. All right, hold it right there. Perfect. One more pull, make it tight.
All secure.
These are the finest quality, madam. Freshly picked this morning, perfect for export.
They look excellent. We will take 50 crates at the agreed price.
These look perfect, very firm. We'll take 10 of the large ones.
Sounds good. We can load them up right now.
That will be 60,000 for the jackfruit.
Wow, look at that color. You're doing great.
It takes some effort, but it's worth it.